What's up, it's your boy Gang coming to you again with another how-to video. This time we're going to show you guys how to know what your tire pressures are supposed to be set at from factory. And note that this is supposed to be for cars that have their original factory tire and rim combination. So continue watching and we'll show you how to know what it's supposed to be at. So as you can see on the driver's side door jamb, there are a few different stickers. The one in particular you're looking for is the one with the tire pressure. Most of them will have an image of a tire and will give you the specs. My car is a 2015 WRX and it came with 235, 45, 17. It should have a front tire pressure of 33 and a rear tire pressure of 32. Now, like I said, this will vary depending on if you have your stock wheel and tire combination or not. So you have to, pay attention to that. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment below if you like, and turn on that notifications to keep up to date with us and all the stuff we have going on.